Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can make your video move looping or play looping on your iPhone. So you just need to open your photos, and then you just need to open the video that you want to make us loop, and then you just need to take a look on the top side. There could be like two options. Tap into this three small dots. Now there could be these options coming up. Just tap into this slide show. The next, just need to wait and then tap into this button and click options, and then you just need to make sure that the repeat option here is on by tapping on this button. Now click done, and whenever it plays, so it will start from the end of the video and it will be bringing back into the beginning of the video, and it could be moved rapidly. So now your video is already in loop. That is for today's tutorial. If you still have some question, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section so that you will not gonna miss the upcoming tutorial from this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.